Hey guys, welcome back to another Walgreens deal where we are gonna grab a moneymaker deal online for curbside pickup. Then I also have some amazing deals on laundry products in store, some diaper deals, and some freebies that you can snag. So stay tuned, I'll share with you all the deals and the details in this video, as well as exactly what to grab for Walgreens curbside pickup. If you're new to my channel, take a second and hit that red subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a part of the channel. Now for the online deal, what you wanna do for this one is use top cashback. Rakuten right now does not offer any cash back for the last 2 or 3 weeks for Walgreens, unfortunately, but that's why it's important to check different websites. So I also use top cashback. They're offering 4.2% cash back, and their new user bonus is spend 25, get $10 back. So what you wanna do is click the link below in the description box so you can sign up. Stay tuned at the end of the video. I'm gonna share with you exactly what you can grab. Also, before we hop inside, I do have a free live masterclass this Thursday. I'm so excited. I asked you guys on my Instagram what you guys wanted me to be teaching. A lot of you said you're still paying too much out of pocket. $20, $30, $40, $50 out of pocket every time you do a transaction when you're couponing. Well, that adds up really quickly. So in this free training, I'm gonna teach you my signature formula for how to pay $10 or less as your final cash cost when you're couponing. This is gonna help you stick to your budget and therefore be able to save $200 or more every single month. So the link for that is below, or you can go to briecouponqueen.com/masterclass and you can reserve your seat there. Then you will get the link to be able to tune in live. So there's no replay on my live trainings. So make sure that you mark your calendar and you can bring all of the questions that you have for the Q&A at the end. Let's pop inside of Walgreens, grab some indoor deals, and then talk about the amazing online deals this week. So we're gonna start with some household deals today. So you could grab this Tide to Go pen for $3.79, submit to Ibotta for $1 cash back, makes it $2.79. Not the best deal. Now, I'm gonna say the majority of the deals this week are better online because this online is $2.99. There's also a lot of discount codes online this week. So like I said, I'm gonna share all that with you at the end, but that would make this $1.99, not including those discount codes. The deal that I was really excited about, I'm so sad I can't do it. It's on the Gain Easy Squeeze. Looks like this, but of course it's the Gain version. They are $1.99 this week. Buy two, get $1 register reward. If it's a register reward deal, it does have to be done in store in order to get that register reward. Then you're gonna clip the $off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $2.98, get back $1 register reward, makes it just 99 cents each, which I think is an amazing deal for dish soap. So I'm gonna try to check back another time later this week. Hopefully my store will restock. We also have a great laundry deal this week. So select products are $5.49, and when you buy 4 of them, you're gonna get a $5 register reward. So grab a Downy for $5.49, clip the $off 1 digital coupon. Then if your store has it, my store is sold out again of this product. It is the Bounce dryer sheets, the 105 count for $5.49. Clip the $off 1 digital coupon. This Bounce does work as well, so I'm just gonna grab this one instead. Next, we're gonna grab 2 Tide products. So I'm gonna grab one of the Tide Pods for $5.49. Clip the $off 1 digital coupon. And lastly, we're gonna grab a Tide liquid for $5.49. I'm gonna get the Downy one and clip the $off 1 digital coupon. So we have all 4 products. Let's go over the totals. Okay, these are all the products that I'm grabbing. Sorry, that was bothering me. Okay, so it's $21.96. We have $4 in digital coupons. You'll pay $17.96. You can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards. You'll still get back the $5 register reward, making your final cost $12.96 for all 4 or $3.24 a piece, which is still great savings even compared to buying them at Walmart. We have 2 really good body wash deals this week as well. One is on Olay. They are buy 3, get a $5 register reward. They're also part of a promotion for Catalina for spend 20 on PG products, get another $5 register reward. So grab 3 of them at $7 each, brings you to $21. Clip the $5 off 3 digital coupon. You'll wind up paying $16 out of pocket. Then you're gonna get back $10 in register rewards, makes them $2 a piece, so not a bad deal. The other deal would be to grab Old Spice. So grab 3 of these at $7 each. Now this one is not part of the PG promotion. So 3 of them would be $21. We have a separate 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $16, get back the one $5 register reward, but then submit to Ibotta for $2 back each, gives you $6 cash back. Makes your final cost $5 for 3 bottles. Now, my Walgreens, unfortunately, does not sell the Huggy Snug and Dry size 1. They only start at size 3. So what I would do to be able to use that Ibotta rebate is grab a box, whatever size you need, 1, 2, doesn't matter. They're all $29.99. Now, here's one way that you can do it. There is a $5 store digital coupon that you can clip, and you're gonna clip the $1 off 1 digital coupon. That'll save you $6. You'll pay $23.99, submit to Ibotta for $6 back, makes your final cost $17.99. The other way you can do it is do not clip the $5 coupon if you have a 20% off Catalina. This is gonna save you more money than the $5. This saves you, I believe, $6 instead. So your final cost would wind up being $16.99. Either way, really great savings on Huggies. So if you need them, definitely stock up. All right, we finally have a freebie again for oral care. So I definitely recommend doing it because the free oral care seems to be pretty few and far between lately. We haven't gotten one in a couple weeks, but we can grab 2 of the Oral-B for free. So they're $3 each, buy 2, get a $4 register reward. Then clip the 2 off 2 Oral-B digital coupon. Total is going to be $6 minus the $2 coupon. You'll pay $4 out of pocket. You can pay with $4 in Walgreens cash or register rewards. Then you'll pay nothing out of pocket. You'll still get back the $4 register reward, makes it completely free. If you need kids toothpaste, you can do this deal in store or online. You're going to grab 2 of the Burt's Bees that are $3.49 each. Clip the 5 off 2 digital coupon. Makes your final cost $1.49 a piece. Okay, so we are back in from Walgreens. My first transaction, I just did 2 little transactions and then I picked up my curbside pickup order. So my first transaction went totally fine. It was on the laundry deal. So all my digital coupons came off. I used a $5 register reward that was gonna be expiring, paid $12.96 out of pocket, got back the total was gonna be $12.96. I decided to use $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $4.50 out of pocket. I still got back the $5 register reward. So that worked out great. My second transaction though, on the Old Spice, the 5 off 3 digital coupon wasn't coming off. So she did manually enter it in. So here's that. I paid with $10 in Walgreens cash on this deal as well, because it's a buy deal. So you can pay with the Walgreens cash. Then I paid $7.47 out of pocket, submitted to Ibotta. So in total, I wound up spending $5.97 out of pocket for everything that I grabbed in store, which is awesome. You guys know I try to keep my out of pocket to $10 or less. That is how I'm able to coupon at 3 stores every single week. So that's 12 couponing hauls, right? 4 weeks in a month, and able to spend less than $100 out of pocket. So now let's go over the Walgreens deal that you can do for curbside pickup that winds up being a moneymaker. Then I'm gonna share with you what I wound up grabbing. Okay, so here is option 1 for the Walgreens curbside pickup deal. I'm gonna post another scenario or 2 on Wednesday, so definitely stay tuned on my YouTube for that. In this one, it's gonna be a $7.10 moneymaker. So what you wanna do first is go to the link below in the description box and sign up for Top Cashback. If you are a new user, you will get a new user bonus of spend $25, get $10 cash back, and Walgreens is also 4.2% cash back right now. So once you create a completely free account, you're gonna search for Walgreens at the top, then you're gonna click Shop Now. It's gonna take you right over to the Walgreens website where you're gonna place your order for curbside pickup. Okay, now for the products. First, we are going to be doing the Schick deal for spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. So grab 1 Schick Sugar Wax for $11.99 and 1 Extreme Razor for $8.99. Then we are doing the Oral-B, buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. So we're going to grab 3 Oral-B toothbrushes that are $3 each and 1 of the antibacteria floss picks that are $4. We're also grabbing 2 Nature's Bounty hair, skin, and nails that are $7.49, buy 1, get 1 free. Then grab 2 Burt's Bees Kids toothpaste at $3.49 each and a Glide Scope Floss Picks for $3.99. That'll bring your total to about $53.63. Now, there are multiple discount codes working online right now, but do not use any of them. Otherwise, you're not going to get your Walgreens cash back for any digital booster or for the spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens cash on the Schick products. I tried it using the digital discounts and I tried it without. And when I used them, it took away the Walgreens cash. So just trust me on that. Now for the digital coupons. 5 off 2 for the Burt's Bees, a 2 off 2 for the Oral-B, $2. Sorry, that's supposed to be $1 for the Oral-B digital. So there's a 2 off 2 and a $1 off 1. Then there's a $3.50 off 1 for the Oral-B floss picks that are $3.99. $1 off 1 for the floss picks that works with the one that's $4. $4.50 for the Extreme This digital coupon not everyone's gonna have. And a $4 for the Schick Wax. These two I had clipped previously, I just hadn't used them yet. $3.50 off 1 for the Nature's Bounty. And as always, clip any spend booster you have. The only one I got this week is spend $5 on vitamins, get $10 in Walgreens cash. So here is your breakdown. You're paying $31.09 out of pocket, including taxes. You'll get $10 back from Top Cashback, 4.2% as well, which is about another $1.19. You're also going to take your paper receipt if your store gives you a paper receipt for Walgreens Curbside Pickup. Submit it to Ibotta for $4 back on the Schick Sugar Wax. $23 in Walgreens cash, so $5 for spending $20 on Schick, $8 for buying 4 Oral-B, and $10 for the vitamin booster if you have it. Makes it free and a $7.10 moneymaker. Now let me show you what I grabbed for my curbside deal this week. Okay, so this is what I wound up grabbing. I grabbed the Burt's Bees deal. I did the Oral-B floss picks. Then I grabbed the 2 Oral-B. I decided to do it online instead of in store. It was free either way, but this way gave me back Walgreens cash. And then I grabbed those 2 vitamins because I had that booster for spend $5, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So that's a moneymaker right there. Here's the $3.50 for the Gillette, not the Gillette, for the floss picks. Why can't I talk today? I'm like saying all this craziness. $3.50 for the vitamins, $2 for the Oral-B, and 5 off 2 for the Burt's Bees. I used $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $1.65, and I did get back the $14 in Walgreens cash. $4 for the Oral-B, $10 for that booster. So that was a moneymaker transaction, which is incredible. Like $65 worth of products, paid $7 out of my pocket for. Really, really happy with that. So all of the information breakdowns always below in the description box. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. That way I can help you guys save. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit my face icon here so you guys can subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you have an amazing 4th of July weekend. I'm probably not going to be doing a Walmart haul tomorrow because it is 4th of July. And I got a midweek bonus, which is $1 for 10 rebates, so it's not worth it for me to even go to the store and try to do that one anyway. But I'll be posting some different deals that you can do over on my TikTok again. So make sure you follow me there for additional deals, and I'll see you next time.